Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix playback error on X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in X or Twitter. And once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so a simple update will probably fix the issue. Now go back and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just simply head over to your settings app and then scroll down, tap on general, then tap on iPhone storage, and on iPhone storage scroll down and then tap on show all, and then simply search for the app X. And once you're here, tap on offload app and then tap on offload app once again, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. And once this process is complete, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, go back and then try again and your issue should be fixed. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.